Hey everybody, Mike with Cactus Crawlers RC, and today we are talking about SCX24. Yeah. Hey everybody, Mike with Cactus Crawlers RC, and I am back again today with 1/24th scale little guy, the SCX24. This one started out as a deadbolt, and it's been modified a little bit. I call this one Big Tex because sometimes I'll sport some bullhorns on there that came with the Axial SCX24 kit. So I haven't done a 1/24th video, a little guy video in some time, and mainly because this one has been out of commission. With all the added brass weight that I have on this thing, I mean it's a heavy little truck, and those little stock motors, they just can't take it. So I really would like to get one of the cool brushless setups in there, but I just can't justify spending that much more money on one of these little guy trucks. I mean, they're really cool and everything, but personally, I'd like to put the money into one of the 1/10 scale crawlers if I was going to be putting hundreds and hundreds of dollars into something. So I really didn't want to put a whole lot of money in this guy, but it's got to get back on the road. I've invested too much in it for it to just sit there, and I really don't want to throw another $6 stock motor on there. So what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to put one of these on there. This is the Furitek Chameleon brushed motor. This is one of those 050 motors, and it comes with the plate too, and it's supposed to be a direct plug-in to the SCX24 ESC. So let's take a look what we got here. So it's a brushed motor, but being an 050, it's a bigger can. It's going to be able to have a lot more torque, and especially if you have such a heavy vehicle as I do, that's a good thing. You want a lot more torque. And so again, the Furitek Chameleon, it was 13 bucks on A-Main, about $13.99. So I didn't think you could go wrong for that amount of money. Cool. So there's the motor, and it comes with a pinion already on it. And that definitely does look like the plug. I may have to swap the leads over from one side to the other. So whenever you're installing a motor, aftermarket motor, just make sure you pay attention to which side is positive and negative when you plug it into there. That's no big deal if you get it wrong. It's just going to run backwards. So you just got to know to swap out those leads. So there's a motor, pretty cool. And this one came with a really neat carbon fiber motor plate. So sweet. All right. Well, time to get this thing installed, and let's see how Big Tex does with this Furitek Chameleon. Ooh, upside down. There you go. This Furitek Chameleon 050 motor with the carbon fiber motor plate. Let's get it installed. much better.
Slow throttle modulation. Hold on. Oh, back on his wheels, and yeah.